This is the video for Unit 7, Day 6, and for the interim test review, the distributive property. And the distributive property, that's something we haven't really covered much in class, but I think it's something that you can learn pretty quickly, so I am going to show you a quick lesson on the distributive property, so when you see it on the test tomorrow, you can know what to do. So we have these expressions, and what you have to keep in mind is the number outside the parentheses, it means being multiplied with. So it's 3 times everything in this parentheses. Now if we just wanted to use the standard method to solve this problem, so it's 3 times 2 plus 8 inside the parentheses. And then we can simplify what's inside the parentheses. So 3 times 2 plus 8 is 10. And now 3 times 10 is 30. So we have 30 right here. Now, another way that we can solve this is to use the distributive property. And to distribute something means to give out. So let's rewrite our expression, 3 times, and then in parentheses, 2 plus 8. Another way you can solve this is to multiply the number that's outside the parentheses, which is this 3, times each of the numbers inside the parentheses. So 3, and I draw lines to keep track, 3 times 2 is what I'm going to do first. So I have 3 times 2 plus 3 times the second number in the parentheses. And I'm going to draw my line here so I can keep track. 3 times 8. Then I can simplify each of these. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 3 times 8 is 24. And then add these up. 6 plus 24 is 30. Okay. And as you can see, I got the same answer using either method. The reason why we have the distributive property is because when you go into 8th grade and you start doing algebra, you're going to use this distributive property a lot. I'll get number 1 started for you, and then you're going to finish it on your own. 2 times 5 plus 7 is in parentheses, so we'll write that out. 2 times 5 plus 7. Right, and we're going to distribute the 2 by multiplying it to each of the terms, each of the numbers inside the parentheses. So 2 times 5. And then 2 times 7. So I'll write this out. 2 times 5 plus, and then I'm going to leave it to you to fill out the rest, to solve here. And that should get you through number 1, and then you should be able to do number 2. I will give you a hint on number 3, how to get that one started. First, oh, I forgot. This video is dedicated to Isaac in 6A. Hey, Isaac. All right. Back to number 3. 4 times 2a plus 3b. And now we have these variables. And don't let that confuse you, because we're still going to do the same process of using the distributive property of multiplying the 4 times the 2a and then the 4 times the 3b. So 4 times 2a, I just do 4 times 2, which is 8, and then I still have the a, so it's 8a plus 4 times 3b, so 4 times 3 is 12, and I have 12b. There's my answer right there. So you can look at this example to do number 4. Once you're done with this, your instructions are to finish page 4, and then you're going to move on to page 5, and on page 5 there's another video, and you can see on page 5 which video it is you're supposed to watch. So finish page 4 and then turn to page 5 and then watch the video for page 5.